Olá a todos! It's great to be back with another video to help you learn and improve your Portuguese. One of the biggest challenges students face is when they come across a common verb that has different meanings when translated into their native language. These can easily trick you, and context is essential to understand the correct meaning. Today we are going to cover the verb ligar, a regular AR verb. If you enjoy my content, don't forget to subscribe and remember that we are also on Instagram and Facebook. E agora, vamos começar! Mastering the verb ligar is essential for day-to-day situations. It is a verb with several meanings. One common use of ligar is as to turn on, to start anything electronic, as in, liga a luz, por favor, está a ficar escuro aqui. Please turn on the light, it's getting dark in here. Vou ligar o computador para responder ao e-mail. I'm going to turn on the computer so I can reply to the email. Acho que fiquei sem bateria. Quando liguei o carro, ele não funcionou. I think my battery died. When I started the car, it didn't work. To refer to the opposite, to turn off, just add the prefix des and we have the verb desligar. Desliga o forno, por favor. O bolo está pronto. Turn off the oven, please. The cake is ready. Ligar à corrente or ligar à tomada is how we express to plug in for any appliance. Tens de ligar o aspirador à corrente para funcionar. You have to plug in the vacuum cleaner to make it work. The second use of this verb is very similar to the first one, but refers specifically to making a telephone call. Ligar, in this case a synonym of chamar or telefonar. So in Portuguese we say, ligo-te amanhã para confirmar a hora do concerto. I'll call you tomorrow to confirm the time of the concert. Ligar can also mean to connect, to make a connection, as in the example, perdi a ligação à internet. Vou tentar ligar-me outra vez. I've lost my internet connection. I'll try to reconnect. You've probably also heard this noun that derives from ligar, a ligação, the connection, or its adjective, ligado, that can mean on or connected, especially if you have online classes or work with the internet. Now comes one of the most interesting uses of ligar that most students don't know about. The verb ligar combined with the preposition a can also mean to give or not to give importance or value to something or someone. The fixed expression não ligará is equivalent to don't mind, don't care. Like, eu não ligo a política. I don't care about politics. When on the other hand, you want to show that you care a lot about something, you can say, eu ligo imenso ao futebol inglês. I care a lot about English football. It is also common to use the verb ligar in the sense of joining or linking. For example, a ponte Vasco da Gama liga Lisboa ao Montijo. The Vasco da Gama Bridge connects Lisbon to Montijo. In medicine, the verb ligar is also used, in this case with the meaning of to bandage, to strap. For example, if someone has a sprain, uma entorse, or a torn ligament, uma ruptura de ligamentos. O João tem o braço ligado por causa da entorse no cotovelo. João's arm is bandaged because of a sprained elbow. I hope this video helped you understand better the various uses of the verb ligar. Don't forget to leave me a like and a comment below. Até à próxima!